Are you hosting a backyard movie party and hoping to hear a round of applause from the crowd? Don't be shady and buy boring snacks and dull drinks full of who knows what. Try these gourmet popcorn recipes and zero proof cocktails that are naturally sweetened and will slap your crowd's taste buds and keep them coming back for more. In this episode, we are going to shake things up and show you how to make three completely different gourmet popcorn flavors with three tasty mocktails to go along with it. Before we start popping off popcorn seeds, let's start with making the natural sweetened simple syrup for the zero proof mocktails just in case if I get a little thirsty along the way. Starting off with a sticky situation, the vanilla extract that we use for this natural sweetened simple syrup needed to cook on extremely low heat for about 10 minutes because of the alcohol in it. It was on such a low heat it didn't even simmer or bubble up. However, if a hint of alcohol doesn't bother you, or if you're making the simple syrup for cocktails, don't worry about heating it up. You'll be the dude at a big Lebowski watch party and not give up your sobriety with this maple cream white Russian mocktail. This tasty zero proof cocktail will be sure to tie the whole room together. Topping a cream based mocktail with soda water may sound a little weird. Hell, it sounded weird to me as a barista back in the day when making cream based kid friendly drinks, but it turns out it's damn delicious. Attention, all cream soda fans. You're going to love this naturally sweetened maple cream soda. For an extremely fast and healthy simple syrup, skip the alcohol vanilla extract and grab some vanilla bean powder. No heating required when using this magical flavor. Plus, you'll see it used in the last recipe. These homemade hot chocolate shots are an easy recipe that will make you forget about the search for vegan hot chocolate packets. The secret to this creamy hot chocolate is using PB2 peanut butter powder. It makes it creamy while keeping it a dairy-free hot chocolate. Whisk the ingredients into a chocolatey goo before adding the hot water and stirring some more. Topping the hot chocolate shot with Dandy's marshmallow cream is the perfect garnish for every kid, big or small. The flavor for the Buffalo Gourmet popcorn goes way beyond just pouring some store bought buffalo sauce on it and calling it done. We created a kick ass buffalo ranch sauce that's a food fusion of homemade ranch and buffalo sauce. It's perfect for this gourmet popcorn, or take it on a spin with cauliflower wings, or drench your air fried tofu in it. If you ask me, the final piece to complete the perfect buffalo dish is some chopped spicy pickled carrots. They will add a nice pop and a crunch. But don't forget to keep some for the top of your buffalo popcorn for a tasty yet spicy garnish. Remember though, to serve immediately after tossing it in the buffalo ranch sauce. The longer it sits, the soggier it gets. It's still good, but not damn delicious good. We knew we needed at least one buttery popcorn, but wanted to keep it geared towards our healthy lifestyle. So, olive oil it is. When using the recipe, the EVOO mixture will be on the thicker side, so drizzling and mixing in shifts is definitely recommended. Also, this prevents one or two pop kernels getting all the damn delicious flavor. Then, just top with sun-dried tomatoes for the sauce and green olives or your favorite pizza topping. If you like it extra cheesy or A little more buttery. Don't count the shakes of nutritional yeast or olive oil. Shake it or drench it until it's just right. This is a simply mind blowing recipe on how to make homemade caramel sauce because it's oil free, heat free, and so good it's hard to stop licking the damn spoon. I've seen people use just date syrup for salted caramel, and don't get me wrong, it's good, and I absolutely love dates and date syrup. It's actually my favorite fruit. However, it was missing the carpet to tie it all together. With the mix of all these ingredients, date syrup, maple syrup, PB powder, a touch of vanilla, and salt, it creates the world's best and easiest homemade caramel sauce. Adding this sauce to popcorn that's topped with crispy dried apples makes a perfect sweet and salty snack. Finally, after all this talk, it's time to dig in. Each flavor is exactly the fusion you'd hope it would be. Eat the trio in order, and you have a three-course popcorn meal: appetizer, main course, and dessert. Don't be corny with it, have some damn fun. Coming up on the next episode, we are continuing the snack theme with homemade gluten free crackers and two dips with no hummus in sight: a mushroom walnut pate and a black bean dip like you've never seen before. Thanks again for joining us on That's Dan Delicious. Let us know how your guests like the gourmet popcorn and zero proof cocktails in the comments below. Be sure to hit that bell to not miss out on any future recipes. Until then, live healthy and build natty.